So there are 64 things to do instead of scrolling on your phone. Go for a walk in nature, clean your bed sheets, have a long, bubbly bath, do some skincare, do a quick home workout, drink some water, bake something, contact a friend you haven't spoken to in ages, call or chat with your parents, meditate for 10 minutes, do a colouring book, organise your clothes, start a new hobby, sell things you don't want anymore, bully your sibling, vacuum your home, water your plants, organise a day out with friends, attempt to be a barista and make a fancy coffee. Like this video because likes are free. Read a book, clean up your camera roll, plan the week ahead, get started on whatever assignment or work you should have been doing, have a cold shower, write your affirmations, do some yoga, practice some gratitude, play a board game with friends, have a quick nap because you know you need it, listen to your favourite music, visit a farmer's market, go to the cinema with friends or family, do a puzzle with a loved one, do a bike ride, go explore your local town or city, learn how to play an instrument, go to a coffee shop, visit a museum, go on a picnic, clean out your refrigerator, play with your pets, organise your nightstand, go swimming, cook a meal, prepare your weekly meal plan, go to theatre or a concert, write down 5 goals for the future, whether that be years or months, go to a restaurant by yourself, visit charity shops and see if you can find any hidden gems, decorate your room, watch a documentary, go to the library, go down a Wikipedia rabbit hole, make a holiday destination bucket list, do some stretching, delete all those old tabs off your phone, do something to make someone smile, get a trim, brainstorm ideas for a new side business, try out a new study technique like Animedoro, visit a local duck park and just watch the ducks, try a brand new local takeaway, finally watch the video about how to reduce your screen time for more long-term methods to stop mindlessly scrolling in the future.